here's what we're going to talk about. We're going to talk about how you can leverage ChatGPT or ChatGPT style to make a chatbot for small businesses or any businesses that you can service for. So let's say I have an example here. Let's say it's an Alpaca Capital Group. This is just an example. So my initial idea is to establish a chatbot for this particular website. So let's go to the dashboard. Okay, so I'm going to go to the dashboard, and then you can see here that we can go to plugin, where I add a chatbot plugin for this website. Here you can see that I already did it. The way you can do it is to go to add a new, and then click on go to here, say chatbot, and this will show up all these chatbots for you. So you can see this is the one I chose. That this says AI engine ChatGPT chatbot. So if you activate this, and you're gonna have a chatbot for this website. So you can look at visit site. You can see right here on the left bottom corner, you can click on it and ask some questions. For example, let's say I'd like to know, okay, so I'd like to know what kind of company, what companies are your let's say buyout targets. Okay, question mark. Now here, great question. Companies that are seen as a chatbot, as a potential buyout targets, are usually those that have unique assets, technology, or products that are attractive to larger companies looking for expansion. These companies are also usually known for having strong financials and a solid business model. Okay, so then you have a question, say, what kind of return can your buyout or buyouts to generate in the next 5 years? Okay, that's just an example. And then the chatbot will say buyouts can offer a variety of returns depending on the size, structure, and strategy of the buyout. Generally, buyouts can generate returns in the range of 8 to 20% in the next 5 years. So you can see this is a pretty attractive return for most of the clients that they would have. So now you're going to say, where am I going to find these clients who wanted me to generate their, to give, to provide chatbot service? Well, you can look at it. Let's say dentist. Okay, dentists. Let's say dentists in Long Island. I don't know. Just you can be. They can be anywhere in the world, but let's say this is in Long Island, New York. And you can go to some of the dentists. Let's say this one, and look at their website. It's a pretty neat website, but you can see on the corner anywhere there is no chatbot. Nothing like that. You know, they could use your service. Let's say you put a chatbot on their website and collect monthly service, which is normally $500 piece. You can say, chatbot, how much does a chatbot service cost per month? Okay, so now you will see here chatbot service, and you can look at it, some of the pricings here. You can see $50 to $500 per month chatbot software platform, or $500 to $2,500 per month. Or even go higher for larger organizations, let's say $50 to $5,000 per month. You can easily generate, let's say calculator. Okay, you can easily generate, let's say 500 times, let's say you just have 50 clients. So you get a $25,000 per month income for this chatbot service that you offer to them, offer to the clients. Dentists, doctor's office, chiropractic office, accountant's office, and you name it. They're just endless. You can continue. You can look for these services on, Yelp or anywhere on Google. You can find them anywhere. Let's say, I don't know, doctor's office. Okay, so you have immediately you have some pop-up here. So you can say, oh, okay, any of these physicians should be able to use your service. Internal, let's say medicine in New Hyde Park. Okay, now you look at it. Well, there is no well, there's a website here, Northwell, blah blah phone number, but you have no chatbot here. You can easily provide a service for them. Let's say you don't want this one. You want to go to a smaller doctor's office. Let's say physician's assistant. Okay, so let's say anywhere you look for, they're just endless doctor's offices. Let's say this one. Just internal medicine. Dr. Maniago, just for an example, Maniago, and then you go to, here it is, you can click on this, and this is their website. Wait a second, let me see if I can really find their website. Okay, so so here is, it's just the direction. Here is I think should be here, this one maybe. Let's take a look at it. Doximity, no, that's not the one. Maniago. They have their own website, but I just can't find it at the moment. But anyway, a lot of these small offices don't have chatbots, and they don't know how to implement them. You could help them to put a chatbot, and which is, you download it for free. Let me show you here. why it's so free. Okay, hold on 1 second. Let me quickly show you what this website where I'm using as an example. So you can see here, right, plugin here installed, right? You see this right here is a pro version. So the pro version is free. Look at this. You click on the pro and you look for this AI engine, which provide GPT generated content, enhance it, improve, so on and so forth. The AI engine that can help you to do the chatbot is free. Look at it. You see right here, pro version, free. Just look at it and you can go down here, free version, right? So you can download this, not to pay for anything, just to get AI, the API right here. I'll show you where the API is. You could go settings here. You see right here is API key. You just click on the Open AI account, right? And then you go to here and create, it says create a secret key. You click on it and the secret key will pop up and you click on copy. Then you go back to the website and paste it right here, right? Okay, right over here. And once you have done that, once you downloaded this particular chatbot, you have the service, a pro version service, free to you to provide it to your clients, whoever your clients are. You collect $500 per month every month. And if you have 10 clients, you could start with, of course, $5,000 a month. If you have 100 clients per month, you collect $50,000 per month, and you make it $600,000 per year. So that's the tip I give it to you to consider. Thank you for watching. Goodbye now.